Drawings link is in description down below, so go check it out. And link for the supplies down below. Check it out. For this painting, you require glass paint, black and blue acrylic paint, and glitter paint. Place the drawing behind the glass. And now, let's start tracing the drawing on the glass. Mix blue and black acrylic paint together. Paint the body of the woman the color that we just mixed. For the dress, make random dots using glass paint of your choice. On the top, as you guys can see, join the colors together. Now we are making designs using gold paint for the hands. Break the bubbles using a pin or safety pin. Now, let's make designs using gold paint for the accessories. Now we are making designs using gold paint for the hands. Paint the legs using the color we mixed. Now, let it dry for at least 1 day in a horizontal way. Here's the result you guys all were waiting for. Do not flip the glass around, it has a cool texture to it. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, like this video, share this video, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.